Stop guessing on how to fix a locked Roblox passkey when you have no email or phone number. This is exactly how you beat the lockout without failing once. Most other tutorials tell you that a passkey error is a permanent lock, which is completely wrong because they don't understand the 2026 hardware-bound override system. Before we attempt to bypass the lock, you need to understand the logic of why the passkey is failing, or you just get stuck with an unknown error code forever. We're going to do this hand-in-hand, step-by-step, so you cannot fail to regain access. Here at Rexist, we're the authority on high-level Roblox security fixes, and we have identified the specific local cache conflict causing this passkey locked loop. First, you must realize that if you didn't link an email, your passkey is physically tied to your device's secure enclave or TPM chip. The secret trick that other creators missed is that you can trigger a legacy password reset by clearing your browser's FIDO2 metadata specifically, which forces a Roblox login page to offer a one-time verification by a known device prompt. Navigate to your browser settings, search for passkeys, and delete only the entry for Roblox.com to reset the local handshake. Once the local key is cleared, go to the Roblox login page and click Forgot Password. Even with no email on file, if you're on the same Wi-Fi network and device where the account was created, the trusted device logic will allow you to set a new password manually to override the locked passkey. If this fails, your only path is a billing override, where you provide a transaction ID from a